Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a gin-based cocktail called Janie's Gimlet. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the gin. We're going to put 2.5 ounces of the exhibition gin into the shaker. 2.5 ounces is, I'll do the math and put the milliliters in the subtitles down below. Note that this is also a 92 proof gin. 2.5 ounces is a large portion of alcohol at 92 proof. This is going to be a strong drink. Not complaining, just saying. 1.5 ounce, which is 15 milliliters of simple syrup. And this is a 1-to-1 syrup. I'm using a raw cane sugar syrup. A white I think would work as well. Then 1/2 ounce orange juice. And the recipe does specify cara oranges. I could not find cara, so I'm using Valencia instead. If you can get cara, use that. Otherwise, use what you can get. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Through the magic of editing, I now have my strainer. I'm going to fill a rocks glass with ice. Maybe not fill, but put some in there. And I'm going to double strain this one into the glass. Garnish. Garnish is either an orange slice or an orange twist. The way I twist, I should probably use a slice, but practice makes perfect, so I'm going to try and do an orange twist. And that went remarkably well. Squeeze, wipe, and drop. And there you have it. Janie's Gimlet. Drink with good spirits.